Get acquainted with the 2019 Honda CR-V. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Prepare to fall in love with this sleek, tech-savvy CR-V. Loaded with convenience features to make your life easier, all-weather capability, and premium styling, this small SUV is the perfect complement to your active lifestyle. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, satellite radio, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, fog lamps, power liftgate, lane keeping assist, steering wheel audio controls. What are you waiting for? Take the wheel of this sophisticated and powerful Honda CR-V and let the adventures begin.